Hello students, today we will see 3 more questions on liquidation. Again, this is the questions. Now we have one preference share, one equity share and one more equity share. देखो, these two are fully paid up, but this is partly paid up. You are required to prepare a liquidator statement of account. Liquidator's remuneration 2.5% on all assets realized excluding call money received, and 2% on the amount paid to unsecured creditors including preferential creditors. This is share capital. Assets realized rupees 20 lakhs excluding the amount realized by sale of securities held by partly secured creditors. This is partly secured creditors. Asset realized was rupees 3,20,000, जो इसमें नहीं है, excluding है. Preferential creditors 50,000, unsecured creditors 18 lakhs. Debenture holder having floating charge of all assets 6 lakhs. Expense of liquidation 10,000. A call of rupees 2 per share on the partly paid up equity share was duly received except in the case of shareholder owing 1,000 shares. So how many shares are 30,000. रुपीज 2 का कॉल किया है और उसमें से भी 1,000 शेयर्स ने पैसे नहीं दिए, मतलब 29,000 शेयर्स के पैसे हमारे पास आए हैं. सो 29,000 into 2 ऐसे पैसे हमारे पास आए हैं. दैट वी विल सी हियर.